What is the lesion? Huh? Okay, granuloma. Okay, so this is what type of hypersensitivity reaction? 4. Okay, and what kind? Delayed type. Okay, and cell-mediated. Okay, type of hypersensitivity. Okay, granuloma formation. You see, this is tuberculosis. Nakita nyo na itong slide na ito. See, this Langerhans type of giant cell. These are your epithelial tissue type. Surrounded by lymphocytes. Okay. So this is your type 4 immune granuloma. Okay? Okay na ba? Wala na? Ano ba yan?